How top online fitness coaches, health coaches, and nutritionists are making 1 to 2 crore rupees per annum using our hybrid method. The exact same system I've used in my own businesses to scale to 9 crore rupees, a run rate of 9 crore rupees in this financial year. What do we mean by run rate? That the time at which I'm making this video, we are at 50% of the year. That means 6 months khatam ho gaye. This is November right now. And I've already made half of that. So we are at a run rate of 9 crore rupees in this financial year, while growing 33% year on year. Last year, we hit a revenue goal of $1 million annual revenue goal. This time, we would be hitting more than 9 crores, according to me. And everything using this full system, which I'll be sharing with you. Those who don't know me, my name is Yashvardhan Swamy, and I have a few ventures in the fitness space. My parent company is called Trained by YVS, where we help people lose fat permanently. That means lose fat permanently and lose more than 10 kgs and make it the last time they are dieting. And our other venture is Fitness Business Accelerator, where we help online coaches, health coaches, and nutritionists just like you start and scale their fitness business. So today I'll be sharing the exact system I have used in my own business and in so many of our client businesses to help them scale to multiple crores or higher every year. And this is not even the best part. I'll share the best part with you in a second. So, guys, if you are here, we'll be sharing a full breakdown and the full system and what you need to do to stand out and scale in this Indian industry right now. But before that, yes, I have talked about numbers, but this is not the best part. The best part is this. I have been able to do this while my clients are getting life-changing results and they love me. Read this. So this is a long-term client, Nini. Uh, this was like out of nowhere. We can't imagine having a mentor like you. We are helping You are helping us improve as a human. And that is what this is a message which I got from one of our clients recently. And these were the follow-up messages from other clients. And that is what. So, guys, why am I sharing this? Because, most people think that, to build a real business where you're making a lot of money, you need to lie to people, you cannot provide a great service and everything else. And let me tell you something, you can do that because I have done that. Right? And literally, I feel so positive, so happy even sharing this. And this thing literally made my day the other day. And that is what. All messages from the same community itself. And that is what. And this is a message from my other community, Trained by YVS, where we help people make it the last time they are dieting. So, my man was day drunk on one day and he saw one of our ads. And look at this, he has lost nine. He has lost 9 kgs, and he has literally changed his own life. Another client, Supreet, just 8 days before her wedding, she's messaging us. Imagine how busy someone is before their wedding, especially women, because I recently got married, so I know. And she is sending us a long note here. How much impact would we have brought in her life? Aisha, whose type 2 diabetes medication went down, right? First it went down, and today it's down to zero. All this while changing her whole life, not just health, the way she looks and the way she feels. And this is Nidhi, lost 20 plus kgs. And we get a lot of messages like this every day. My point of, sharing this is that, here we are not just making money, right? Yes, making money is one part, but we are making money the right way by changing lives, by over delivering, by giving people what we have promised or even more. So, one lesson for everyone here is if you're watching this is that you can build a dream business and a dream life alongside where your clients love you, right? And I have been able to do this while building my brands in my own style. My parent company is trained by IVS. And a lot of times people ask me, Kiar, are you not? This question was asked by even by my dad, who's more than a father to me. He's more like a mentor also, a business mentor also for me. And he when I was about to start Fitness Business Accelerator, didn't he asked me that, don't you think you are building your own competition because you're literally teaching everybody, all of your clients at FBA, exactly what you do or what you have done in your own business? And my answer was no, because my brand is built in my style based off my personality, and my personality cannot be copied, just like yours. And I'll teach you exactly same thing. How can you do that in your own business so that there is no direct competition? That's what I'm going to teach you. And these are our B2B businesses, FBA, FBE, trained by YVS is B2C. Shed 60 Challenge was a challenge which we started where top five transformations used to go to Bali with me. We ran it 4 times. We were able to transform 1,500 lives via that. But then I stopped it because it was taking a toll on my mental health. And there's another business which I am building right now, working on right now, and which I'll be able to start soon. But I'm not announcing it here. So my point is that, you can make money, you can build your own brand in your own direction so that there's no competition and your clients can love you. Plus, your family can also love you. Uh, I have a family where everyone loves me. And अब आप सोच रहे हो कि डैड मेरी दी हुई डाइट नहीं फॉलो करते अगर मैं सबको ट्रांसफॉर्म करता हूँ. The answer is no, he does not. So, that is what. I'm able to take vacation every 4 to 6 weeks. वेकेशन वाली फोटोज डालने वाला था, बट मैंने कहा फिर वो ओवर हो जाएगा. एंड रिसेंटली हिट माई 8 फिगर मंथ. फर्स्ट 8 फिगर मंथ हमने हिट किया रिसेंटली, जून में. एंड दैट वाज गुड. All this while having a team of 15 people who are growing. All 15 are not here in this picture because we somehow don't have a lot of pictures together. But this is like, my these are my teammates who are growing alongside, who are themselves making multiple six figures every month while growing. Right. So, एक और myth है लोगों का कि यार only I can make money, no one in my team can make money, else I won't be able to grow. ऐसा भी नहीं है. Recently, it was this is our head coach, Yasmin. She was our first teammate who joined us in 2019. उनकी शादी की photo है ये. And my teammates are also growing, and all of them are long-term teammates. Have been there with us for more than 1.5 years now, and some of them have been with us since 5, 6 years, since the time we started building a team. I was also able to hit my biggest month of last year, मतलब जो उस टाइम का biggest month था, while getting married. Last year, in on 1st of February, I got married in Abu Dhabi, and उस month में obviously January last year, I wasn't working a lot because obviously shadi and stuff like that, and I wasn't even expecting that I'll hit a big month. But Feb हो गया, Feb mid में, my accountant shared a receipt, and he was like, you hit 72 lakhs. That was the biggest month of that time without Shade 60. Shade 60 जब हिट करते थे ज्यादा मंथ हिट हो जाते थे हमारे. तो 72 lakhs हिट किए उस टाइम पे. दिस इज लास्ट ईयर जनवरी 2024 जनवरी में. फेब में मैंने चेक किया, एंड देन आई वाज सरप्राइज, एंड देन आई वाज सो हैप्पी दैट आई हैव बीन एबल टू बिल्ड अ बिजनेस. I have been able to build a business which grows without me, or with minimum involvement without me. And that made me very happy. And I would have been even smiling more अगर मुझे पता होता हमने जनवरी में इतना अच्छा नंबर हिट किया है. बट मैंने चेक किया, चेक लेट किया. एंड it's not just us who are winning alone. uh, Clients like Nini are getting results like this. We started at 12,000 per month to 8 lakh rupees a month, literally. And recently her head coach got a car. He did not get a car. Her head coach got a car. So, this is the kind of impact we are bringing. She also won Mrs. India as the first runners up. And all this while taking care of her kid. Hemant, this is a picture of him gifting his dad a car. Started at 50K per month. Now, recently his biggest month was 11 lakh rupees, while becoming one of the leading coaches for moms in India. The same system was applied by Karthik, who is literally 18 years old. अब 19 का हो गया वैसे, but 18 years old, and he got his first car at age of 18 years, from zero to 5.2 lakhs a month. Rahul Kamra, who's number one coach for keto people in India, literally, and he has cracked the way to make keto sustainable for people. And when we started working with him, he was at 3 lakhs, 2 to 3 lakhs a month. Now he makes 13 to 15 lakh rupees a month. That means multiple crore rupees. And we have Mrinali, who started her fitness business with us from zero, now makes 5 to 6 lakh rupees consistently with just 4,000 followers. She just has 4,000 followers right now. And yes, we have set up systems and we have set up funnels for her to help her increase her followers also now. But, look at the impact and look at the number she's able to do by just having a very small community. Right. And next goal is to scale to 1 crore rupees per annum while having more and more freedom. And we are also applying this system with leading coaches like Dr. Gura Deshman. He's the most respected coach in the country. And when he started working with us, he had already hit his financial goals. इनके financial goals 3 years पहले ही hit हो चुके हैं. But his main goal was, delegating more, getting out of business tasks so while building a dream team, and all this while systemizing everything so that he has more time to chill and work on other projects. So Dr. Guradesh Man has different multiple businesses, so he wants to focus on all of them. So we are working on setting systems up and delegating more and getting out of day-to-day business tasks. And I'll be sharing the exact method with you, which all of the top coaches of the country are using to scale to the next level while building a business and life of our dreams. ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. एंड अभी भी मैं बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करूंगा क्लाइंट रिजल्ट्स पे, बिकॉज इफ यू आर अ कोच हु हैज बीन देयर इन दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर अ वाइल, you know that it takes heart and soul to get client results, that too at scale, right? I'll be sharing the method with you. And at the end of the training, I'll be sharing a quick invitation at the end for you to partner with us. If you like what we are doing, if you like the system, I'll share a quick invitation for you. But even if you don't want to partner with us or join your journey with us, that's totally fine. You'll for sure learn the some of the most important principles you need to apply in your business if you actually want to scale the right way in this year and in the next year, right? So you'll be learning hell lot of principles and strategies uh, to apply in your business right away, because I'm not just applying these in my business. These are being applied in varied businesses, and businesses are scaling. Before that, first we need to understand ये ट्रेनिंग किसके काम नहीं आएगी. Although you learn a lot of principles which are would be valuable everywhere, but if you have any other business apart from online health business, online, if you are not an online fitness coach or if you are not an online nutritionist, this is not relevant to you. If you are someone who's happy with your business growth, then you're wasting your time. Rather, spend more time with your clients, according to me. If you already have a proven long-term system that is making you crores per year, special focus on the word long-term. Long-term means you're building a business based off principle, not tactics. You already have a brand and multiple engines set up in your business to get you clients. If you already have a brand है जहां आपको लगता है यार आपका कोई competition नहीं है, then this training is not for you. एंड इफ यू आर समवन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आप प्लीज ध्यान से रखना. अगर आपको इस ट्रेनिंग से सिर्फ एक चीज चाहिए कि यार मुझे और क्लाइंट्स चाहिए, मुझे बाकी एरियाज पे वर्क नहीं करना अपने बिजनेस के, देन आई एम नॉट द राइट पर्सन फॉर यू. दिस इज नॉट द राइट ट्रेनिंग फॉर यू. मतलब इफ यू आर जस्ट दैट पर्सन हु जस्ट cares about getting clients but not getting them life changing results, I don't think we can help you, or this video would help you. And this is not for those who want to build a short term tactic based business. प्रिंसिपल्स नहीं सीखने, आपने सिर्फ टैक्टिक्स लगानी है और वो करना है. एक चीज मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, बीन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर लास्ट 8 years. टैक्टिक्स डोंट वर्क लॉन्ग टर्म. शॉर्ट टर्म चलेगी थोड़े दिन. आपने आप में से काफी लोग ऐसे होंगे, आपने कोई फनल ट्राई किया, कुछ ट्राई किया, थोड़े दिन चला, उसके बाद इट स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग. व्हाई? इट वाज नॉट प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड, इट वाज टैक्टिक बेस्ड. एंड if you don't prioritize client results, this is not for you. That's why I started my literary training with this. And this training is for those who want to build a real principle based business, who want to build a long term business. How I look at my business or my client businesses is that these are businesses for decades, not even for months or years, right? You want to highly prioritize your client results, put in the work and get to 1 crore rupees per annum, then 2 crore rupees and even higher, right? This मैंने आपको अपने business का example दिया. We are closing to 9 crore rupees this year. Aim for 70% plus profit while building a business of dreams, right? And while building a team which is growing alongside you. आप बहुत बार लोग क्या करते हैं, टीम की ग्रोथ के बारे में नहीं सोचते, फिर सोचते टीम चली गई, because you never cared about them, right? And all this while becoming a leader of this industry, leader of your client community, your team, and a top 1% coach of this industry, all this while having fun. Actually wanted to add a picture of our quarterly events we have with FBA and FBE coaches. वो but मुझे photo मिली नहीं somehow. So but I would have added because we meet every quarter for 2 day strategizations and learning new things, what is new in the industry, and we have a blast. Literally, it's like a lot of fun. And guys, थोड़ा सा मैं आपको background देता हूँ. Those who don't know me, my name is Yashwardhan Swami. Uh, First 18 years of my life, I was obese. Okay, so this is me, 122 kgs. And I was a big time introvert. लाइफ बहुत सॉर्टेड थी इन द सेंस की मॉनेटरी सेंसेस में, बिकॉज माई डैड इज अ big and good businessman, and I would say a big investor, and that his businesses and his wealth is still like 10, 20, 30x of ours right now. So that way ना मेरी life chill थी money wise, but I hated myself, right? First 18 years of my life. So in 2012 I transformed myself, and I got addicted to learning about nutrition and transforming people. For the next five years, I kept on learning new things and started helping my friends, people in college, because I was pursuing law. सबको मैं help करने लगा. I became the go-to guy. And in 2017 यार मैंने कहा कि why not try something of my own. 2012 में मैंने अपनी life change कर ली, but I haven't done anything after that. Then I was like, okay, let's do this because I love doing this. एंड इस टाइम पे 2017 में जब स्टार्ट किया, फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री, ऑनलाइन फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती थी, काइंड ऑफ कोई कोच नहीं था. होगा कोई, मतलब आई डोंट, नॉट दैट आई नो ऑफ, कोई कोच ऐसा ऐसा नहीं था. एंड आई स्टार्टेड इट, एंड literally from there my life changed. My point is that I never started the business thinking that I'll make a lot of money. I had one monetary goal. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, my goal was कि यार सप्लीमेंट्स के खर्चे निकल जाए, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे मेरे डैड से एक बार लड़ाई हुई कुछ, एंड ही वाज लाइक तू सप्लीमेंट्स खा जा, प्रोटीन खा जाता है इतने पैसों का, ये वो स्टफ लाइक दैट, जस्ट ईगोइस्टिक किडिश थिंग. बट आई वाज लाइक कि यार एटलीस्ट मैं अपने सप्लीमेंट्स का खर्चा निकाल पाऊँ. दैट वाज माई वो, बिकॉज तब इंडस्ट्री भी नहीं थी, कुछ भी नहीं था. बट आई स्टार्टेड विद दिस, and then I understood business, and then from there things kept on growing. In the last 8 years, I have made mistakes, wrong hires, wasted time on short-term tactics, messed up my relationships also. You would have seen that I focused so much on my relationship with my clients, my relationship with my family, relationship with my wife. Why? Because money is important, but money without happiness or contentment, or without acing all areas of your life, health, wealth, and relationships, health, wealth, relationships, all three are equally, and spirituality, all four are equally important. If you're not acing them, that's pointless, right? And in 2021, I was able to gift my dad a car. This was a big deal for me back then. And dad already had luxury cars, but it was like, I did it myself from my own money. I had the option of, spending dad's money throughout, but I was able to do it with my own thing. Recently gifted myself my first car, a G63. Got it in March this year. Have won some awards and got featured in the top publications of the country. Recently got awarded by Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, and fitness influencer of the year last year and this year by Entrepreneur Magazine. Entrepreneur 35 under 35, where they called me the fitness industry pioneer. This was 2024 itself. And that is what top 10 coaches by Apple News, top 10 leaders, and have been featured in most publications of the country in the last 80 years. My point of sharing these things was not even flexing. It was sharing one simple thing, that I have done some things in my life and business that most coaches would like to do, right? Be it on monetary front, be it on personal life front, be it on business front, be it on fame front, right? fame, authority, or respect front. I've done some things in my life, and the biggest part, I've made the mistakes. I made the mistakes which you might be making in near future. Last 8 years have been full of mistakes, but I've always improvised, and that's what. Another thing is I've seen this industry grow in front of my eyes while building the system and the method I'm going to share with you. So literally, I have seen this इंडस्ट्री ग्रो स्टार्टिंग में तो पता भी नहीं था कि यार इंडस्ट्री इतना ग्रो कर सकती है देन 2021 में started fitness business accelerator कि यार okay let's help coaches start and scale their business. Last 2 years I've been specifically working on helping them scale to multiple crore rupees every year, and I want to prove that you can build your dream life and dream business together. बहुत बार लोगों को ये लगता है कि यार बिजनेस बनाएंगे तो लाइफ में सब हो जाएगी और लाइफ बनाएंगे तो बिजनेस नहीं बनेगा. That is wrong. And you lot of times people think that clients would always keep on complaining. ऐसा नहीं, कुछ लोग जरूर करते हैं जब ले, but your clients can love you too. And that's why I started with that, with the screenshots. And these are very recent screenshots. And last 2 years I've gotten so many messages like this, more than in the first 6 years, I would say, because obviously I have improved as a coach also, as a business owner also, as a team leader also, and that is what. Okay, so first, before I start explaining the what you need in your business to scale, first we need to stop the old way. Old way क्या है? ध्यान से सुनो. First, you have to stop being a nobody who does not have a brand or someone who's copy pasting stuff. अगर आप सोच रहे हो यहाँ से कॉपी कर लिया, ट्रेंड बाय वाईवीएस से कुछ कॉपी कर लिया, एफबीए के किसी कोच से कुछ कॉपी कर लिया, दैट वुड वर्क. नो, इट वुड नेवर वर्क लॉन्ग टर्म. लिख के दे सकता हूँ ये चीज मैं आपको. If you're randomly posting content on social media and worrying about algorithms or Instagram reach, till 2022, Instagram was providing all of us with a lot of reach. Now it does not. But we cannot rely on that. We need a brand, but Instagram reach पे rely करने का कोई फायदा नहीं. That's something which I realized in 2022 while when I started building the hybrid method. And शॉर्ट टर्म स्ट्रैटेजी, शॉर्ट टर्म फनल जो 15 दिन चलते हैं, 20 दिन चलते हैं, उसके बाद आप कुछ नहीं कर पाते. एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग शॉर्ट टर्म फनल टैक्टिक जो 5 मिनट चला, दो चार कॉल्स बुक होगी, कुछ नहीं हुआ, उसके बाद लॉन्ग टर्म सिस्टम नहीं बिल्ड करा. इफ एनीथिंग, इफ यू कांट सी योरसेल्फ डूइंग एनीथिंग लॉन्ग टर्म, डू नॉट डू इट. एंड if you're someone who's blaming your lack of growth on your competition, you need to stop it right now. You are not growing because of you. I am not at 12 crore rupees revenue because of me. Start taking ownership for your business right away. इधर उधर blame करना है तो nothing will help you. Right? Start taking full ownership. You need to stop another thing that deep inside, your service is unsystemized. Your service is at best average. एंड अगर आपके पास रिन्यूअल्स या रेफरल्स नहीं आ रहे, आप सोचते हो मेरे क्लाइंट्स ही खराब है. अंडरस्टैंड करो, सबके क्लाइंट्स आर ह्यूमंस. माय क्लाइंट्स एंड योर क्लाइंट्स, ऐसा नहीं है क्लाइंट्स खराब है. क्लाइंट्स फॉलो नहीं कर रहे प्लान, आपकी दिक्कत है. क्लाइंट्स रिन्यू नहीं कर रहे, आपकी सर्विस में दिक्कत है. रेफरल नहीं दे रहे, आपकी सर्विस में दिक्कत है. मानो ना मानो ये चीज आपको पता है. एंड मैंने एक चीज देखी, एज कोचेस 90% ऑफ द कोचेस डीप इनसाइड नो दैट. सो इफ यू नो दैट, start working on fixing that right away. Next is running your business on luck and worrying even when the business is growing. ये ध्यान से सुनना. If you are someone कि आपका business grow किया है last year में, but फिर भी आपको टेंशन होती है, बिजनेस नंबर ऊपर जा रहा है तो भी आपको टेंशन हो रही है, दैट इज ऑल्सो साइन कि आपने प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड बिजनेस नहीं बनाया. रैंडमली आप चीजें कर रहे हो जो वर्क कर रही है, बट दे आर स्टिल रैंडम. यू आर नॉट बिल्डिंग अ ब्रांड इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. If you are that, literally, this is the system you need. Feeling alone in your entrepreneurial journey. Till 2021, I used to think that, success or, growing or scaling is a lonely road. ऐसा नहीं है. We have been able to build a community where, everyone is cheering you, everyone wants to see you win, everyone wants to learn from you, and everyone wants to teach you what they are doing and what's working for them. And you need to stop having a team that will leave you the moment they see another opportunity. बहुत लोग आप में से ऐसे हैं जो टीम बना के बैठे हैं, बट आपके टीममेट्स जब भी कोई और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी भाग जाएंगे. वो भी अपने को बंद करना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू स्टॉप इट राइट नाउ. एंड इफ यू आर डीलिंग विद BCS, दैट इज ब्रोक क्रिएटर सिंड्रोम, वो हमें फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. दैट यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ फॉलोअर्स, you get a lot of likes, you get a lot of views, but no real business, no respect. People don't connect with you. You get leads, but people say, okay, we'll start tomorrow, we'll start next month, and they never come to you. If that's happening with you, we need to stop with this. And if you are ready to stop with this, this is what you need right now, the hybrid method. The only right and long term way. मैं ये भी नहीं कह रहा कि राइट वे है या लॉन्ग टर्म वे है. आई स्टडीड दिस मार्केट लॉन्ग इनफ. दिस इज द ओनली राइट वे. राइट एंड लॉन्ग टर्म, अभी कुछ पांच चीजें और भी चल जाएंगी, बट लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए आई थिंक दिस इज द ओनली वे. एंड दिस इज वेयर आई एम पुटिंग ऑल ऑफ माई एफर्ट्स इन द नेक्स्ट year in my businesses. And that's what. First thing which you need to understand is there are thousands of coaches out there right now, especially in 2024, and 999 of them sound the same. पहली चीज हमें ये फिक्स करनी है. I'll explain that in a second. Instagram reach is going down and down, and you cannot continue becoming a slave to the algorithm. Reach बहुत कम हो गई है. पहले Instagram was very favorable. Now it is only favorable to those who are smart, and I'll teach you how to be smart. Another thing which has happened now is customers have become sophisticated. ध्यान से सुनना. 2020 तक क्या था? ऑनलाइन कोचिंग के बारे में लोगों को पता नहीं था. Then COVID hit. Then thousands of coaches came in the market. Now your future customer has already had an experience with online coaching. That's the first thing. They already have basic knowledge. Caloric deficit क्या होता है, diet क्या होता है, MyFitnessPal क्या होता है, Healthify क्या होता है. They know that, right? So they're pretty knowledgeable and they have had bad experiences, right? So because of this, we are in something called a trust recession right now. People don't trust. Anyway, मैंने Indian customers का देखा, they are very in all of my businesses, they're very skeptical in the very first place. But now they are becoming more and more skeptical, especially when it comes to online coaching, online fitness coaching. That's something which you need to deal with. We need to create a long-term brand so that people trust you, because we are in a trust recession. I'll share how to deal with that. And we need to amplify your brand with the right ads and right funnels. Funnel कुछ नहीं होता, a way through which you get clients. ठीक है? Funnel is nothing. अगर आपको complicated word लग रहा है, it's a way through which you get clients, right? So that you don't need to rely on the algorithm. Algorithm के slave बन के रहोगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है. आज आप चाहे 1 करोड़ भी हिट कर लो मंथ में, कोई फायदा नहीं है. Because someday or other, the algorithm would be like, bye bye, your content is boring, right? And that's what. And we need to stand out and build a business which is true to you, not a copy paste of some other coach or influencer. यार कॉपी पेस्ट वाली अप्रोच नहीं वर्क करती लॉन्ग टर्म. आपने इंस्पिरेशन लेनी है सबसे. इंस्पिरेशन सबसे लेनी है. मैं आपको सिस्टम भी बता रहा हूँ जो करना है, बट यू डोंट हैव टू कॉपी पेस्ट. इंस्पिरेशन लो, अपने स्टाइल में करो. एंड दैट इज व्हाट. And we need to set up systems in which we can delegate and automate our business so that we can focus on brand building, growth tasks, and personal life. Right? Like I mentioned, that even at these numbers, I am able to chill so much that 4 to 6 weeks में हमेशा मैं vacation पे जाता हूँ. Not a very long vacation, 2 to 3 days, 2 to 4 days के बीच में. And every quarter, not every quarter, twice in a year, I go for longer vacations. अभी दिसंबर आ रहा है. I'm prepping for my vacations only. That is what. And most importantly, all this should happen while you are having freedom for yourself. Freedom to enjoy the money you are making, so that you don't end as a MRP. MRP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? मिजरेबल रिच पर्सन. ऐसा नहीं है. आपने ड्रीम लाइफ बिल्ड करनी है, यू आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी बट यू आर एंजॉयिंग द मनी. एंड this is something which I learned the hard way. 2019 में, 2 years after I started my business, I was just thinking about business all the time. Relationship खराब होने लग गए. I became egoistic with my family. Oh, I'm making my own money and stuff like that. That was my path of becoming a miserable rich person, which was wrong. मेरी personal life मैंने mess up कर दी थी. And that's something which I'll make sure you don't do while making money, right? And all of the things I talked about can be done with something called the hybrid method, which I'll be sharing with you in the next slide. हाइब्रिड मेथड के अब चार पार्ट्स हैं एंड दिस इज मैं आपको लॉजिकली समझाऊंगा सारे चारों पार्ट्स सो दैट आपको समझ आ जाए दैट यू नो व्हाई दिस इज द ओनली एंड द लॉन्ग टर्म वे फॉर योर ऑनलाइन फिटनेस बिजनेस और ऑनलाइन हेल्थ बिजनेस और ऑनलाइन न्यूट्रिशन बिजनेस टू स्केल. First thing is that first thing is called the 1% brand and differentiator. That means everything should be based off something called a differentiator. Differentiator क्या है? ये वर्ड मैंने खुद बनाया. Differentiator is that 99% of coaches talk about the same thing. राइट एग्जाम्पल देता हूं मेरा डिफरेंशिएटर क्या है. अब मेरी कोई भी वीडियो देखोगे कुछ भी देखोगे दैट माई मेन डिफरेंशिएटर ऑफ दिस कंपनी फॉर दिस कंपनी इज दैट यू नो आई my main job is not teaching people business. I actually have a real fitness coaching business, which is still running, still thriving, trained by YVS, right? And I have been running that and growing that since last 8 years. अब ये चीज बताओ ये कौन कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकता है? नहीं कर सकता कोई भी, राइट? अब आप सोच रहे हो कि यार नहीं मेरा कोई डिफरेंशिएटर नहीं है. Everyone has a differentiator, and you know each and every result I have shown you, each and every result I would show you, they have a differentiator, and first thing which we work on is finding that and validating that. आपका 1% ब्रांड बनाना है हमने बेस्ड ऑफ योर डिफरेंशिएटर एंड योर पर्सनैलिटी सो दैट कभी आपको ये टेंशन ना हो कि यार कॉपी पेस्ट हो गया, मैं मुझे कॉपी पेस्ट करना पड़ रहा है. दैट्स समथिंग यू नो विच वी नीड टू लर्न. नेक्स्ट इज दैट यू नो आपको ब्रांड इज नेसेसरी बट आप सिर्फ एड्स पे फोकस नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दोज हु हैव बीन रनिंग एड्स वुड नो कि भाई किसी मंथ एड्स अच्छी चलती हैं किसी मंथ नहीं चलती और एड्स की कॉस्ट बढ़ रही है मंथ बाय मंथ. So you need a hybrid system. You need multiple ways through which you get clients in your system. Third, like I mentioned, इंडियन कस्टमर्स वैसे भी स्केप्टिकल होते हैं और अब ज्यादा हो गए क्योंकि मार्केट सोफिस्टिकेशन की वजह से एंड ड्यू टू देयर बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ द पास्ट. We need to build a trust and authority building system so that they are like, yes, this is the person I want to work with, right? And I'll explain all of these in a minute. And then how do we delegate to build our dream life so that we can literally have a 30-minute work day. This is a delegation system. इस पे भी एक चीज बता देता हूँ. Till last year, I was just giving 30 minutes per week to my operations, right? And still my business was running smoothly. But this year I had another, you know, aha moment, which made me think that, you know, nahi, I'm not doing justice because I can give more efforts to my clients. So I started giving 30 minutes every day at this level of scale. जब आपका scale level कम है तो आप थोड़े कम में भी कर सकते हो. So, you know, how do we get to that level? And I'll explain all four things to you right now. First thing is we need a 1% brand and differentiator, and this is the first thing which we do. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ये जब तक मेरे को मिलती या वैलिडेट नहीं होती है मेरे को नींद नहीं आती व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर बिजनेसेस, राइट? And this is to be used everywhere. Now, this is what makes you stand out and what's unique to you, right? एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं. I've lost 44 kgs in the past. That's unique to me. I was obese for first 18 years of my life. Unique to me. My story is unique to me, right? बहुत बार अब आप ये सुन रहे होगे आपको लग रहा होगा यार मेरे लिए कुछ भी यूनिक नहीं है. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, वी कैन हेल्प यू फाइंड दैट, राइट? एंड दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग विच वी वर्क ऑन. पहले हम इसको फाइंड करते हैं फिर इसको हम वैलिडेट करते हैं, राइट? And this is something no one else can take away from you and no one can copy this, right? And so that you have zero competition or fear of being copied. एक और differentiator बताता हूँ. The way I'm teaching you right now, I have created this method myself, right? Based on my brand, right? And I'll teach you all of these are the things which we teach and which we learn over time. And this would be the number one thing. ये नहीं है तो आगे वाली चीजें ठीक से काम नहीं करेगी. That's why we spend the maximum time here, and that's why I'm very hands on. Whenever we get a new client, first thing मैं खुद ही personally इस पे hands on रहता हूँ, देखता हूँ कि यार what can we find. And this is generally an intersection of who you are, your personal experiences, your skills, who you work with, your coaching method, and your skills as a coach and your skills outside of being a coach. So this is very interesting. For example, another thing which is personal to me is I have pursued masters in psychology and I've pursued law. Right? अब मैंने आपको पांच चीजें बता दी, right? अब आपका माइंड चलेगा इस डायरेक्शन में. बट यू नो वी नीड टू फाइंड इट इन अ वे दैट यू नो द मार्केट ऑल्सो रेजोनेट्स विद इट. अब आप कुछ रैंडम ही चीज बोलोगे आई लाइक रेड कलर, वो दैट उससे मार्केट नहीं रेजोनेट करेगी बिकॉज इट शुड रेजोनेट विद योर प्रोस्पेक्ट एंड योर क्लाइंट ऑल्सो. So first thing which you need to do is find your differentiator and build your coaching method based on that. कोचिंग मेथड बिल्ड होता है सबसे पहले, which would deal with the trust recession and the market sophistication, right? जो मैंने आपको बताया, आपके कस्टमर्स अवेयर है. एंड पहले आपका डिफरेंशिएटर मिल गया. एवरीथिंग वी डू इन आवर ब्रांड is based off this one thing. From ads to content to branding to your coaching method to how you coach, everything has to be aligned. सारी चीजें अगर एक सिंक में चलेंगी तो डू यू थिंक पीपल वुड ट्रस्ट यू मोर? 1000% टाइम्स. एंड बहुत बार कोचेस क्या गलती करते हैं, इवन माई क्लाइंट्स एट टाइम्स, डिफरेंशिएटर हो गया, दैट्स वर्किंग ऑल द टाइम, बट नेक्स्ट वेरिएंट ऑफ एड बना रहे हैं, दैट्स समथिंग एल्स, कुछ और ही है. Then I scold them a little and then I teach them that, okay, it has to be 100% aligned because differentiator is the main thing. That's the first thing which we work on. वो हो गया, वो हमने फाइंड कर लिया. देन वी फाइंड अ हाइब्रिड ट्रैफिक सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स, यार देखो, मैंने अपना मेन बिजनेस 2022 तक बनाया ऑर्गेनिकली. उसके बाद रीच आनी कम हो गई. प्लस आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग बोर्ड ऑफ मेकिंग कंटेंट. देन आई वाज लाइक, देन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग एड्स, सिस्टम्स, फनल्स, ये सारी चीजें मैंने लर्न करी. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग देम इन माय ओन बिजनेस आल्सो. And one thing which I've realized over the last 1.5 years, which I tell my clients is never rely on just one thing. ये याद रखो, मल्टीपल वेज होने चाहिए जहां से आपको क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं. ठीक है. एंड बिकॉज सो दैट वी डू नॉट पुट ऑल ऑफ आर एग्स इन वन बास्केट. जो लोग एड्स रन कर रहे हैं या जो लोग सिर्फ ऑर्गेनिक कर रहे हैं, उनको पता है ये बात. आपको पता होगा कि किसी मंथ ऑर्गेनिक बिल्कुल वर्क नहीं करता, नवंबर में वर्क ही नहीं करता बिल्कुल भी, बहुत बार. और बहुत बार क्या होता है, कुछ लोगों की रीच, स्टोरी व्यूज एकदम खत्म हो गए, राइट? And so that we need to make sure we have clients coming from different sources. Your organic brand based on differentiator. Yeah, something called the everywhere funnel to help you build your brand so that we are able to get clients right now or later or to increase our followers. So we have a funnel to increase our followers, but not random followers, followers of your niche, people who you work with, who you specialize working with. Then we need a differentiator funnel to get clients now, right? We need now buyers also, obviously, to increase our wo. And we need to make sure renewals and referrals are at least 30% of your revenue. So that जो guys, एक चीज आप eventually understand करोगे once you build a team and everything else, team है, ads है, सब कुछ है. This part would be the biggest piece maker for you because this would liquidate your expenses of the company. तो renewal preference at least 20 to 30 20% at least renewal आने चाहिए एंड 10 to 20% आपके रेफरल्स आने चाहिए. उसके लिए भी सिस्टम सेट करेंगे. सारी चीजें टुगेदर करोगे, बन गया आपका प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड बिजनेस. कोई भी एक चीज में सॉल्व करो. एग्जांपल देता हूँ. हेमंत, अभी मैंने आपको उनका रिजल्ट शेयर किया. लिटरली हिज लास्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म, हिज लास्ट स्ट्रेटेजाइजेशन पे, वन ऑन वन पे बैठे थे. एंड ही हैड हिट 11 lakhs, ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. व्हाट डिड आई स्ट्रेटेजाइज? ओनली वन थिंग, ब्रो, renewal referrals चाहिए. And literally I had a chat with him yesterday and I told him कहाँ है renewal referrals, right? So we build a business the right way and all of these things can be spotted. And that's something which we work on. And the next system is the trust and authority building system. अब देखो, हाइब्रिड ट्रैफिक सिस्टम से क्या होगा, लोग आने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, बट हमें इनको कन्वर्ट भी करना है यूजिंग द राइट स्ट्रैटेजीज, यूजिंग योर ब्रांड, यूजिंग राइट वे ऑफ कन्वर्सिंग विद देम एंड नर्चरिंग दोज हु आर नॉट रेडी येट विद लॉन्ग फॉर्म रिसोर्सेज, योर स्टोरीज एंड कनेक्शन. अब आप बोलोगे कि यार स्टोरीज तो मैं अभी भी डाल रहा हूँ. आप डाल रहे हो रैंडमली. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि सारी चीजें सिंक होंगी. इससे ये सिंक होगा, इससे ये सिंक होगा, एंड इससे next वाला part sync होगा. Somehow I cannot see it on my screen. So back to this, right? And that is also everything has to be synced based off your differentiator. So सबसे important चीज kind of differentiator है, first thing, and then comes the other parts of the system. Then we also add something called a free money method, where you are making money and convert most leads to paying customers for the calls already booked. So ये basically बड़ी cool चीज है. Starting की stage पे नहीं है, but we have a free money method where you are making money from spending zero additional penny, right? From the calls already booked, right? And we also have a lot of our clients have started selling by chat. That means Okay, now you have gone on a lot of calls, but now you are like, okay, I don't want to get on calls with people. It's okay. We can start experimenting and working with sell by chat system, creating a sell by chat system where you do not have to get on a call with the prospect. You sell people via chat, right? So वो भी system है. And Nini closes 15 to 20 people every month by just selling via chat. And best part, this can be 100% delegated to your virtual assistant or someone else from the team, right? So closing can also happen without you. Long term, starting में ऐसे नहीं है, day one पे नहीं होगा, but eventually yes. And then comes the coolest part, 30-minute workday delegation system. Simple goal क्या है आपका कि we build a team in a way where team is also over delivering results. And 30% of business comes from renewals and referrals. 30% minimum कह रहा हूँ, इससे ज्यादा आना चाहिए. Your client happiness rate should be 90% plus. Client adherence rate should be 80% plus. Renewal rate should be at least 70% plus. ये नंबर्स अगर आपके हिट नहीं हो रहे और आप कहते हो यार मेरे क्लाइंट्स की गलती है, गलती आपकी है, याद रख लो. और ये बात आप लॉन्ग टर्म भी याद रखोगे, बिकॉज आज आपको चाहे समझ आए ना आए, एक दो साल बाद आप आके बोलोगे वाई वी एस यू वर राइट. सो स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दीज थिंग्स राइट अवे. And the best part, once all of these systems are built, everything can be delegated or automated, and you will just have to look over your team and systems. Team and systems को look over करना है कि okay, all is good and solving problems which others cannot be, others cannot solve. एंड गाइस ये भी याद रखो, हर सिस्टम को बिल्ड करने में टाइम लगता है, डिफरेंशिएटर को फाइंड करने में टाइम लगता है, एटलीस्ट 4 to 8 weeks बिफोर वी देन वी डेलीगेट इट टू अ टीम. देन टीम ट्रेनिंग में टाइम लगता है, टीम हायरिंग में टाइम लगता है, पे क्या करना है उसको, टीम को ट्रेन कैसे करना है, एंड हाउ डू दे बिकम अ मिनी वर्जन ऑफ यू. बिकॉज आपका ब्रांड किसके स्टाइल पे होना चाहिए, आपके स्टाइल पे. यस ऑब्वियसली विल टीच यू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, बट दीज थिंग्स टेक टाइम, राइट? हर सिस्टम को सेटअप करने में एटलीस्ट मैंने देखा कि 4 to 8 weeks लगते हैं. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली how to make sure that your team is also staying, they are also happy, they are also growing as you scale. कल्ले स्केल करोगे तो आपके टीम वाले छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे, ये बात याद रखना. And that is what. And these were the 4 steps of this system. And now you must be thinking, why yes, this works for you. We know you have a successful business. You are the industry pioneer. You have been in this game for 8 years and you have seen this industry grow. But does it work for others? Although मैंने आपको पहले भी results दिखा दिए थे, but I'll show you more results because that's our strength pointer, I would say. Uh, Now this is Suvidhi. When she started working with us, she was at 30K per month. Now she makes over 5 to 6 lakh rupees every month while becoming leading coach for mothers in India. Uh, while building a team, right now we are working on building her team. All this while getting featured in top podcasts, top magazines of the country, and I recently interviewed her. Uh, Dr. Bilal, we started working with him when he was at 80,000 per month. Now he makes multiple crore rupees every year. He has moved to Dubai, and right now we are working on targeting and onboarding high level Dubai clients. Yash Jain started from 50,000 a month, now making over 8 lakh rupees a month while building a brand of his dreams and his dream team. So Yash always, since the time he started his business at 50,000, he always used to call me. First time इनकी call आई थी, coach, I have a surprise for you. When he had six figures. हर बार कॉल आती है, सिक्स सिक्स फिगर्स पे, 2 lakhs पे, 5 lakhs पे, 6 lakhs पे भी कॉल आई, 8 lakhs पे भी आई. रिसेंटली मेरे को कॉल आई तो आई थॉट कि यार इन्होंने 8 lakhs से भी ऊपर नंबर हिट कर दिया, बट ही वाज लाइक, नो कोच, आई जस्ट कॉल्ड यू टू टेल यू दैट आई एम इन गोवा राइट नाउ, आई एम एंजॉयिंग एंड माय लाइफ इज चेंज्ड. दैट्स व्हाट ही कॉल्ड मी फॉर. एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा आपकी कॉल में मजा आया था जब आपने सिक्स फिगर वाली कॉल करी थी एट टुडे. एंड ही हैज बीन एबल टू बिल्ड हिज ड्रीम लाइफ. Supriya, who was already a pro yoga coach, started her fitness transformation business with us, and literally in less than 12 weeks, she started hitting 3 lakh months, right? And that is what our goal is, to stabilize and take this forward and make this higher. Guneet, I'm pretty sure you have seen him somewhere because he has been going viral these days. He started his business with us from zero. This is Guneet Talwar, by the way. He started his fitness business from zero, working with us. Now, in the last quarter, he has literally made 10 lakh rupees every month. And Literally, he started his business from zero working with us. And now, recently, he left his job also. Now, we are working on systemizing and scaling his business, scaling his team, and making sure he focuses on the right things. And that is what. Another long-term client of ours, Anmol Sachdeva, started working with us uh, at 80,000 a month. Now he makes over 1 crore rupees every year since I think 1.5 years. And now our goal is to get to multiple crores. He recently got two properties. Photo nahi dali maine. He recently got a Mercedes, recently got featured in Forbes, and recently got married with his dream girl, I would say. And that is what literally this was 2 weeks back. And look at this. And we had Jatin who has made more than $100,000 in the last 5 months of working with us and using the system. We started when we started working together, he just had three clients. And we are specifically working on targeting international clients and NRIs. Right now, our focus is to make sure now we are building a team to delegate more so that we can scale to double of this number in the next year. And we have Amit, who's making 4 to 5 lakh rupees every month while still having a full-time job and his duties as a new dad. He became a dad recently. And the coolest part, 4 to 5 lakh rupees a month and still has his full-time job. And that is what. Same goes for Jatin, actually. Jatin also has his full-time job right now. And guys, my point is not to convince you of anything. We get screenshots like this every day since the last 2 years, literally. रोज कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा message आता है, screenshot आता है. And we have a list full of testimonials. You can check out our FBA ka page and even YouTube channel where we keep on recording detailed case studies and interviews with our clients. And we have thousands of screenshots using of results using the system. ROAS के screenshot हैं, कुछ लोगों का 30 ROAS आ रहा है, 45 ROAS आ रहा है. Doesn't happen long term, but short term, yes. And but again, my point is that if you are intrigued by my journey and the hybrid method and the client results, and if you want to understand the hybrid method in depth and how we can apply this to your specific business to first get you to 1 crore rupees per annum, then 2 crore rupees per annum, then higher in the next 12 months, you can join the inner circle of top 1% coaches in the country. The inner circle, the people who I just showed you, where we share everything. Every month, literally, I share what is working in my business right now, what new thing I'm trying, what's not working, right? We share everything along with all coaches. So, if this intrigues you, I invite you to find us on Instagram and DM me the word inner circle on our Instagram, right? So, find us on Instagram and DM me this word, inner circle. Or maybe you already follow us, or maybe you're already in a conversation with us where we have told you, ki, yaar, go and watch this video first so that you understand how we work and how we operate, right? So if you're that, just finish this video and message me. There would be a link below, or just find us on Instagram. This is our Instagram ID, and just DM us the word. And one thing which I would like to mention is personally, I'm very hands-on and selective when it comes to the enrollment to specifically this business. And I'll tell you why. Because most of the clients whom you have seen or whom you see haven't been working with us for a few days or few months. They work with us for years. Most of the results I showed you, they have been working with us for a year, 1.5 years. Most of them have been working with us for over 12 months. So if we are onboarding you, I would want to onboard you to work with us for years so that we can, help you scale to wherever you are to next level, then the next level, and then next level together, so that we are building a very strong community. And that is what, because my focus should be on, working with handful of people who work with me long term so that my business also grows. And I don't have to spend all the time finding new clients. And that is what. So we'll only onboard you if our values align, right? We'll have a quick chat. If you message us the word inner circle, we'll have a quick chat with you first. And if we align, we'll book a quick call with you, right? A call with you to see if we align, or we'll simply add you to the wait list if the slots are full. Uh, so ispe, I'm very personally very hands-on, and obviously I cannot give time to hundreds of clients like this. So that is why we generally have a wait list on. So you can message and check whether wait list hai abhi, yeah, we have a slot available. Just DM us, and if you like. On the other spectrum, if you're not ready yet, I hope this training gave you a lot of value and insight as to how to grow your business the right way in the coming year. And if you want to learn more, check out our YouTube, check out our Instagram for detailed case studies. Instagram पे भी बहुत सारी detailed case studies हैं. YouTube पे भी I've recently started recording detailed interviews with our clients. And as always, I believe in over delivering. There would be linked to some helpful resources and videos in the caption. If you would like to find more about how to scale your online fitness business to 1 crore rupees per annum, then 2 crore rupees per annum, then even higher. Because someday I wish I would have one of my clients who surpasses my own numbers also. And that is what, guys. Thank you for watching this. Hope this gave you a lot of value and see you on the other side. Bye.